What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the ghost touches on screen issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and click on display. Now in display scroll down and here you will see a touch sensitivity button. So turn off this button, and after turning off this button it will decrease the touch sensitivity and it will help you to fix the ghost touches issue. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the ghost touches problem will be 100% fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after these solutions, then the last solution is check for mobile updates. So to check, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update and then click on download and install. Now from here check if you have any pending update of your mobile software, and after updating your mobile software to the latest version, the ghost touches issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.